Otherwise, you're just vacuuming your house. Well, no, because it's off. You're not vacuuming anything, right? You want the noise, so plug it in. Why would we resist taking action? Well, hello, cosmic souls. And here's one reason why. Because you haven't done the energy work first. You haven't thought about how great whatever you want is going to be and felt it like it was here to the point where you took action in a blissful, joyful state that already exists in your reality and acting as if you or you have the things that you want are here. And Abraham Hicks likes to call it vacuuming your house without turning on the vacuum. Meditate yourself into it. Sit there, maybe do a guided meditation, and envision, use your senses through your meditation. What does it smell like? What are the emotions you're getting? Is it warm? Is it cold? How's the environment? What sounds are you hearing? Maybe you're picturing you're on a vacation, right? Or maybe you're a speaker. You're in front of a crowd and you're envisioning the words you say motivate and inspire others. Maybe you envision what it's like to get that perfect 4.0 on that exam. What does that feel like? Great. Know that it's already done. Now write yourself a list, maybe even a 20 things list that you can do to get you to this. And then just start taking a step. Knock something off that list, the one that excites you the most, that'll get you to where you want to be. Embody what you want, your desires. Bring those feelings into here now, and then take a step. Plug your vacuum in before you vacuum your house. Do the energy work first. Otherwise, you're just vacuuming your house. Well, no, because it's off. You're not vacuuming anything, right? You want the noise, so plug it in. All right, and that is one of my favorite Abraham Hicks quotes. Plug in your vacuum first before you vacuum your house. All right, much love, cosmic souls. Hope this helps. I did not feel like making a video at all today, and I too decided to just go ahead and take some action. All right, love and light vibration out. Have a pleasant, wonderful, magnificent, and transformative day. Bye.